这个设备安装很方便，然后佩戴也很舒适。最主要的是，它可以解放我们的双手。
Using Expert AI Essential on RealWear devices, we can easily cooperate and share knowledge in the company. We are saving time and money previously. When traveling to our production locations, we also use Expert AI to remote troubleshooting and support equipment commissioning, continuous improvement workshop, and many more. In future, we are also considering using it for workflow execution.
Our colleagues who are joining the sections remotely can directly ask questions or use digital pointer to direct the operator's attention to certain parts of the machine or the process. Additionally, able to zoom, take high-resolution photos, and annotate those in real time are great features of Expert AI, which made the overall experience so much more interactive.